So get the Aikon prop adapters, they said. Your drone will fly so much better, they said. And that's all true, but the problem you have, if you take this, it doesn't fit in the bag anymore. Now you can't close it. So the DJI props, which are the original ones, just, quick release, pop it in and out. That's great and easy. Then you can put it in the bag and you can use it. But now you've got to unscrew the props every time. So this becomes, I don't want to say a problem, but it just becomes a hassle. So today we are going to take a look at the Dalprop. These propellers are foldable 5-inch propellers, 5.1 to be exact, and they should work on the DJI FPV. So if I just take them all out, you have all your parts. You can see the package 5.1 Dalprop Fold 5, but there's no instructions. So let's figure out how to put this together and we'll take it from there. So let's just put the blades out and we'll see. So I can see this is the top of the blade because it's nice and smooth at the top. So that should be the nice one. So that blade should be like that. This blade's also nice and smooth at the top. You would know it's the wrong side around if you can see it that way around. So it's nice and round at the top. So this one will also go like that. This you can see immediately is counterclockwise. So it goes that way around. And you can move them around. It's another one where you can feel that's the top smooth side. So it'll go here. So there we go. I've got one full prop. That one goes also this way around, over there. You can immediately see that one's also smooth. Goes over there. Another smooth one going this way around. Just be very careful when you put this together. As you can see, that's another one right around. So it will definitely go that way around, counterclockwise. Another one of these. Try and stack them together so you know which ones are which. There we go. So these should all be that way around as well. Yep, there we go. Cool. So I would say this should be the bottom. You can see in the camera because it's the nice big broad piece. And then you've got your thin little piece over here, which is as well. So how you put them together probably doesn't matter too much, but I would assume that you would put this hard piece at the bottom and then you would put the top down as that, or the other way around actually, because you're going to put, actually I'm going to put this side at the top because that's where the prop nut will go on. So let's just quickly see how it goes on. You can see there's a nice big circle on one side and the other side. Let's just take a look how it's going to get adjusted on. So what you would do, get your blades, put them on. There we go. As simple as that, you would just go and you would pop this on top. You can actually hear the clicking noise. Very satisfactory click. There we go. Nice and easy. One prop down. Let's build the rest. So I'm going to put the round piece at the top and the not so round piece at the bottom. So the thick piece at the bottom and the thin piece on the top. Shouldn't make a difference because you can see it's going to push against both of them in any case. So let's just quickly build another one. There we go. Put your props on. You can see they're all facing the same direction. Just make sure that you get them all the right way around, otherwise you're going to have problems. So it goes this way, goes this way, goes this way. There you go. So the reason I don't worry about which way around it should go, this is nice and thick, but the pressure of the nut is going to be on the middle, on the centerpiece over here. So if I take this and I put it on top, let me just get one of my lights. There we go. This little piece can come off quite easy because I haven't clipped it in yet. So that piece in the middle, as you can see over here, is very hard, and the prop nut's going to press on that. So I don't think it's going to make a difference which way around you're going to put this. So I'm just going to put it on top, and you're going to hear the click. Let me see if you can get the click. There we go. Very nice, satisfactory click. Just going to give the rest quickly if you guys want to stay tuned for that. And there we go. That's done. Get this bad boy, yeah. Remember, the DJI FPV drone runs props out. So this one runs props in, so it's not the right one. Props out. There we go. See, very similar size. There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight. I don't want to lose a prop while I'm flying. I think that's good. And there you got it. There we go. Perfect. As always, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like the content that I'm making, please consider subscribe and click the like button, as it really helps out the channel.